how to change your Instagram business account to private account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your Instagram business account to your private account. It's important to note that you cannot directly make a business account private. There is a workaround that involves converting it to a personal account first. Begin by launching your Instagram application on your device and navigate to the home base. Here, locate your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. You will reach to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the right top of the screen to open the menu. Click on Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings menu, look for Business Tools and Controls. Click on it to access a variety of options related to your account. Below Monetization Status, find the Switch Account Type option. Click on it and you will be presented with the choice to switch to a personal account. Confirm the step by clicking on Personal Account. Confirm by clicking on Switch to Personal Account. With your account now switched to a personal one, head to the Settings and Privacy. Look for Account Privacy under Who Can See Your Content section. Click on Account Privacy and you will find a toggle button here. Turn it on to enable the private account feature. Confirm your decision by clicking on Switch to Private. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your Instagram business account into your private account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.